people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela, and today I have a very exciting video. I am collaborating with Daniel Wellington. Yay! Yes, Daniel Wellington and I are partnering together for Mother's Day. So Mother's Day is just around the corner, and Daniel Wellington are doing a Mother's Day campaign. They have 8 gift boxes available for Mother's Day. And also with that, from the 1st and the 12th of May, they're actually giving you 10% off. And happened so that Daniel Wellington gave me, for my followers, a 15% discount using the code MRDW15, which I will leave below. Will get you an extra 15% off. So that is 25% off these beautiful gift boxes. How amazing is that? So I'm gonna open with you my first PR. I am so excited. I didn't even think this day would come so early, but I am literally so grateful for Daniel Wellington reaching out to me. I'm very lucky. I'm just amazed. So yeah, let's have a look at what I got. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is beautiful, the black and the red ribbon, and with the gold emboss on the front with Daniel Wellington. I think it's very luxury looking. If I got this for Mother's Day, or if I got this as a gift, I would probably be like over the moon because it just looks so luxe. So we'll open it up. You just open at the front and it just opens, and then it's got another like a little box inside. So, I'll just open that up. So the gift set includes a Daniel Wellington timepiece plus a Daniel Wellington cuff. So I've never actually seen the cuffs. I knew Daniel Wellington as with watches. So this was a really awesome surprise to see that they're bringing out new things. So I think what I chose is really beautiful. Like, it is very minimalistic. It will go with everything, and I love silver. I was tossing up between the rose gold, which looks amazing, but I already have a rose gold timepiece, so I thought, oh, why not get a silver one? So this is the cuff, so it just pops out like that, and it's just like a really nice little cuff, very minimalistic. You'll put next to your watch, which will just give it a little bit more instead of just having your watch by itself. So with the bracelet, there are different styles in the bracelet, and this is the one that I chose. So it's just a cuff, so basically I can stick the cuff on, and then that's how it looks. I think it's so beautiful. Like, it's very minimalistic. I love minimalistic jewelry. I don't like bulky jewelry, and I thought this was really beautiful. And then this is what the watch looks like. So I went with the black face and the silver band. I think this looks gorgeous. I actually don't have one this size. I have a bigger one, but this size is so petite. I think it looks so gorgeous, especially with my little thin wrists. I think it's gonna look quite good. So that is what the watch and band look like together. I absolutely love it. Like, I think it looks really beautiful on. Like, again, it's so it's simple. Like, again, I don't like bulky jewelry, and I do love the black face as well. It looks really nice, a bit edgy. Will go with a lot of my black clothes, like my leather jacket. I reckon it will look really good. But yeah, like I said, Daniel Wellington is literally like such a beautiful brand. Like, you probably already know the brand, like watches they do have. They have ones like with the leather bands that I got my partner. But yeah, very, very nice. thank you guys for watching my first PR. I know it's like only one PR box, but that to me, that is like amazing, like amazing feeling. And literally I am overwhelmed. I am grateful that they even considered me. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you end up getting a gift set for your mum for Mother's Day, or even just a gift set for yourself. You know, treat yourself. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.